A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, hard work, and determination to make it happen. Success is a beautiful story that comes from aspiration, desperation, inspiration, and dedication. And the story of these candidates who qualified in Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Competitive Examination beautifully defines it. So let's hear their journey of success. How are you feeling right now, holding such a big achievement?
Presently, I'll say the achievement that I have secured is unexpressible, happy, with uh, tears filled with happiness, and I'm glad that I made it through. Okay, I'm a mother of a 2.5 year old boy. I started this exam when my boy was in my womb, so it took almost 3 years to complete. So I will say my baby boy is my lucky charm, and without the support of my mother, who has been there from the starting to end, no? And my husband, who has been so supportive to me, I'm so thankful to him. So this was my one part. Another part, you can say, during the preparation of this examination, 2017, 18, and 18 and 19, I was going through my B.Ed course also. I completed my MA during 2015. 2016, I dropped for continuing coaching, and then 2017, I joined at RGU B.Ed course. So 2017, 18, and 19. So in 19, I had completed. So during that time, what happened? एज़ यू ऑल नो दैट हम लोगों ने 2 बार प्रीलिम्स लिखा हुआ है, उसके बाद में एक बार हमने मेंस लिखा ना, तो उसी के दौरान प्रिपरेशन के दौरान मैं बताना चाहूँगी, एज अ मदर आई बिलीव ईच मदर विल फील दैट कि बीइंग अ मदर and studying and giving time to the study is very difficult. Managing the time is very difficult. पूरे सफ़र में अगर आप देखेंगे तो लाइक इट्स मतलब इजीली कुछ भी अचीव नहीं होता है. एवरी गुड थिंग, और यू कैन से एक माइलस्टोन अचीव करने के लिए आपको समथिंग यू हैव टू सैक्रिफाइस, एंड यू हैव टू ऑलवेज मोटिवेट योरसेल्फ. अपने से अंदर से आपको मोटिवेट करना. इट डजंट मैटर कि आपको बाहर वाले आके कितना भी बोल दे ना कि नहीं तुमको तो कर सकते हो, तुम करना है, लाइक नॉट हैपन. इट डजंट हैपन. इट हैज़ टू बी कम फ्रॉम विद इन यू ना, आप ही के अंदर से आना पड़ेगा. एंड इट इज़ नॉट लाइक मैं सिर्फ हूँ कि माँ बन के मैंने एग्ज़ाम दिया. देयर आर सो मेनी अदर वुमेन ऑल्सो ना. एक तो है मेरा फ्रेंड ऑल्सो, उनका भी 2 बच्चा है, उसने भी अचीव किया है अच्छे रैंक में. 2019 अगस्त को मेरा असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर में सिलेक्शन हो गया. देन 15th रैंक में आई थी मैं. And geography, if you say in the geography category, I was in second. One was my friend Savia Wangsu, he was the first in geography, and second was I, and followed by other friends also. And yes, 2019 and 20, I think it's a blessing for me and my family also. And presently, yes, I'll say I'm working in Government College Doimuk as an assistant professor in geography. And in 2020 August 2020 को मेरा 1 साल हो जाएगा. नाउ आई थिंक इट इज़ 8 months ना, 8 to 11 months इतना चल रहा है. सो दैट वाज द स्टोरी.
तो मैम तो आप अभी जो आपका जो असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर वाला जॉब है उसको आप छोड़ रहे हो?
Yes, I wanted to get rid of the books. Since childhood, I have been studying so many मतलब books everywhere books ना, तो I was always having कि नहीं हमको सिविल सर्विस करना है. सो ऑलवेज इट वाज माय फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस. नाउ आल्सो आई विल से दैट सिविल सर्विस वाज माय प्रेफरेंस, एंड yes, I did it. I cracked it with all the obstacles and all the ups and downs in the life. I think I deserve this. I'll say I deserve this, and I'm so thankful कि मैं ये पोस्ट में हूँ. And yes, I have to resign the current post also. Regarding the materials, I have been referring my college time materials. That is for physical geography. I have been referring Sabindra Singh, and from the Indian geography, I have been referring R.C. Tiwari, and we have some practical books also. So I have gone through that. And yes, more importantly, when you're preparing, some portions from statistics are coming. So for that, you can refer class 9, 10, 11, and 12. 9 and 10 mathematics books you can refer, and 11 and 12 geography, this practical book you can refer. That some statistic portion are being covered from that portion also, तो वहाँ से आप देख सकते हो. And sociology, I was not so much acquainted with the subject, but my husband, he helped me to gather the notes, and he also gave me some the names. Like you can see in my background, there are so many books like related sociology. So yes, for Indian society, I forgot the names. You can see there are so many books I have been referring. So these all books were referred my husband. So thanks to him also. So sociology and this geography, yes, geography was my optional subject from the graduation. So that was easy for me. But sociology, yes, my husband helped me to choose the materials.
Ever since when did you start preparing for the examination? Have you ever thought that you would make it happen someday?
Yes, I have started preparing for this exam seriously after my PG. That is after 2015. I have started preparing for this examination. I have joined some coaching institutes also to have a guidance, because we need, at first we need guidance. So what we have to study, and going through the syllabus, we want to know the syllabus in a better perspective. So yes, I have been taking some coaching institutes help also. And yes, main thing is that the study which you do at your home is the main thing. Giving your individual time to your subject, it is the main thing. Myself, that someday I will crack this examination. For cracking this examination, I think your sincerity is very must. आपका हार्ड वर्क बहुत ज़रूरी है इसमें, आपका डिटर्मिनेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है. I believe the person or the individual who is having sincerity towards their study and devote themselves for doing something in your life, or if you want to achieve, yes, you have to be sincere with your work, what you have taken up. And yes, I believed in myself that someday I will do this, and that was my target, and I believe that I have achieved this also.
How many times have you attempted this examination before?
Seriously, if you say how many times, I'll say this is my first attempt, serious attempt. But before that, as I said earlier also, that in the 2013, that was just a casual test. Means उसमें क्या क्या सब्जेक्ट होता है, किस तरह से होता है, तो अक्वाइंट विद द क्वेश्चन पैटर्न, उसी के लिए मैंने दिया था. तो उसमें तो कुछ सीरियस नहीं था. बट 2017 मेरा फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट अटेम्प्ट आप बोल सकते थे, बिकॉज एग्जॉस्ट मतलब हो चुका था. तो यस, दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट अटेम्प्ट, यू कैन से दैट.
How ready are you for your new position and job responsibility?
So mentally, yes, I am ready. I believe everyone who has secured their place in this APPSC, they are mentally ready. So I believe I am also ready for this.
Is there any message that you would want to convey to all the young aspirants?
Message what I will say right now is that अगर आपको कुछ अचीव करना है, if you want to achieve anything in your life, I believe a personal determination is required, a sincerity towards your target is required. If you can dream, you can have it also, and for that you have to work hard.